minced garlic.
I can smell that garlic. It is so yummy.
Right? And I'm just gonna do a nice little generous scoop into each of our little divots.
Did you know that garlic is like super good for your immune system, and it's good for your blood, and it's like a superfood that I feel like, you know, we should be eating more of, so I love this.
And that's why I'm putting a nice heaping in each one.
So good.
You don't have to put as much as I do. I really like garlic. You can just sprinkle a little bit in there, but I am just putting as much as I like.
And it gives like such good yummy flavor, you know?
Exactly, and we're making little individual servings, so you can just do less in some and more in others, depending on what your family likes.
Definitely.
All right, and then I used super lean ground beef so that there's less grease, and it's gonna be perfect for your dish.
I do love the individual servings. That like makes it so easy.
Exactly. Now we're gonna go ahead and season our beef. We're gonna do some pepper, and you can just do like 2 twists in each little hole and just make a delicious seasoned ground beef. All right, and then let's get this a little salty with our sea salt.
Yes.
And we can just do 1 twist on these. Right? Yummy.
So good.
All right, and then, call me crazy, but I'm putting garlic powder. It just tastes different than actual garlic.
It does taste different. The powder has like a different texture, and like it just doesn't have the same, you know.
Yes, I know exactly what you're talking about. So this is just gonna make it so delicious. I'm so excited. All right, we're almost done here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my mild cheddar shreds.
You don't like the sharp?
You can do the sharp if you like.
Okay.
But I like the mild.
Okay.
And we're just gonna put a little bit in each little cup.
Okay, yeah.
This is gonna be such a delicious little dinner, snack, whatever you wanna make it for.
That's true. This could be like lunch or dinner or like lunner, you know?
Exactly, I like that. Oh, and you can even do it with sausage and make it like a little breakfast.
Ooh, I love that.
But I want a dinner, so I'm doing the ground beef.
Yes.
Ooh, okay, this is smelling so good.
This is so great. It's like family style, only like without the mess. You know what I mean?
Yes,
'Cause it's
exactly.
like individuals. It's so
gonna
good.
be so clean, and these are just gonna pop right out.
Yes. Oh my God.
All right, just
love it.
Get this cheese out of the way and make sure this is nice and beautiful. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some green onion. Yep, just a little bit. Kind of make it like a little baked potato in there, you know?
I love those. They're like kind of sweet, and they have like a nice soft oniony flavor without being like, whoa, it's onions, you know?
It's not overwhelming. It's just like a nice little punch in your food.
I love it.
Ooh, and you can even do yellow onion if that's what you prefer, but I like just the pop of the green.
I do too. Plus they're colorful.
Right?
Oh, I can't wait.
Everyone loves bacon.
Yes, bacon, 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 bacon.
And this is like the already cooked stuff, okay? So this is so perfect. You can't put raw bacon on this because it will not cook, okay? And you can just sprinkle it on there. Oh,
yum. So that's gonna give like a little bit of a crunch.
Yes, exactly.
And it has that like yummy bacon flavor.
Exactly. These are about to be amazing, okay? Ooh, all right.
And I noticed that you have like the package says 40% less fat. So this is like the healthy version, right?
Yep, I always try to grab the less fat meaties.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, we're almost done here, and then we're gonna pop this in the oven super quick. It's gonna be so good. Okay.
I can smell that bacon, and I'm like, my mouth is watering.
Mine is too. All right, this is ready for the oven. All right, let's go ahead and look at that bottom real quick, just super quick.
Ooh, I could just imagine that like filled with food in there. It's so good.
All right, and we're just gonna do it at 350 for about 30 minutes.
That's it? Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Yum.
Look at these. They look so good.
Yummy.
All right, let's take one of these babies out. Ooh, I'm thinking this one right here. Ooh.
That's the winner.
Comes
oh
out
my
perfect.
gosh.
All right, just move these to the side. All that grease just stays in the pan.
I love that. Easy.
You don't have to worry about it in your burger. And then I just have some sour cream because it just tastes so good with the bacon and the cheese.
It does.
Perfect.
Delicious.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's cut into this.
It's like so more gourmet.
Right? Ooh, so good.
Wow, yum.
Yummy.
It's cooked perfectly.
I know. Okay, let's give this a try.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be hot.
Mmm.
So good.